Why Birds Fly South for the Winter, a tale of promise and betrayal. Long, long ago, in the days when animals could still speak the language of the earth, the birds of the world lived together in harmony. They built their nests in tall trees, sang their songs to the rising sun, and danced together under the stars. Back then, the cold season, what we now call winter, did not come to the land. The earth was always warm, and food was always plenty. But the balance of the world began to shift. The wind whispered of a great cold approaching, a chill that would make rivers freeze, trees shed their leaves, and the skies turn gray. The great eagle, the wise and noble leader of the birds, called a grand meeting. "My feathered friends," he announced, "a season of cold is coming, one that will test our strength. We must find a land of warmth and safety before it arrives." The birds murmured in concern. Many had never known hunger or frost. The eagle continued, "I will fly high into the sky, far beyond the clouds, and search for a warm land where we can all survive the cold. But I cannot do it alone. I will need someone to watch over the flock in my absence." A proud bird named Crow stepped forward. With his sleek black feathers and smooth voice, he was well liked, but deep down he was cunning and selfish. "I will take care of the others," Crow promised with a bow. "You can count on me." The eagle nodded, spread his mighty wings, and soared into the sky. Days turned into weeks. At first, Crow kept his word, but soon he grew tired of leading. He hoarded food for himself and gave the weaker birds little to eat. He mocked the small sparrows and bullied the pigeons. One day, the sky darkened. The wind howled. The cold had come. Just when all hope seemed lost, a shadow appeared above. The eagle had returned. "I have found a warm land far to the south," he cried. "We must fly now, or we will not survive." The birds cheered, but Crow whispered lies. "Don't trust the eagle," he hissed. "He's only saving himself. He'll leave us behind." Some birds believed Crow and stayed behind, but most followed the eagle, flapping their wings as they flew high, guided by the stars. Those who stayed suffered greatly. Many fell ill, and when the truth came out that Crow had betrayed them, they turned away from him forever. As punishment, the birds cast Crow out. His feathers, once shiny and smooth, became dull. His voice, once charming, became harsh and cackling. Since that day, every year when the air grows cold, the birds remember the eagle's promise and fly south, away from the betrayal and into the warmth. But Crow, he is left behind, cold and alone, with only his loud caws echoing through the empty trees. Moral of the story: those who betray trust may gain power for a moment, but lose respect forever. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more like this.
If this story moved your heart, give it a like,
Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more magical folk tales every day. Fly with us again under the moonlight.